Now we will take the next topic, that is supply function. हम दूसरा उठाएंगे सप्लाई फंक्शन. ये सप्लाई फंक्शन क्या होती है? व्हाट इज दिस सप्लाई फंक्शन? सप्लाई function. What is supply function? The functional relationship between the functional relationship between supply of a good and its factors, which change it, like price of related goods, इसी तरह है cost of production है. So these are the factors which change the supply of a good, supply of related goods, this cost of production, etc. is called a supply function. Generally by supply function we mean the relation between, or the functional relation between, quantity, supply and price. Other thing is remaining same. So when we keep the things which are other than price, they are kept same, then there is only relationship between price and quantity supply. That also is called a supply function. That is, we can say supply of X is function of price of X, price of Y, price of related goods. इसी तरह टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है. इसी तरह है प्राइस एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स कितने हैं. So there are so many factors other than price. In addition to price, we have so many factors. So these are the factors which changes the supply of a good. When there is any change in price of the good, the supply changes. When there is change in the price of related goods, supply changes. Technological change also brings supply change. Cost of production also brings supply change. If we keep these things constant, so other things constant, then the equation becomes function of price only. It is also called a supply function. So this relation is also called a supply function. So what are these factors? Where Sx is supply of good X, Px is price of good X, इसी तरह Py है price of related goods, इसी तरह Cp, it is cost of production. So these are the factors on which supply depends. Cost of production. इसी तरह N, number of sellers in the market, number of sellers or firms. So जितनी ज़्यादा sellers firms आएंगे मार्केट में, उतना ज़्यादा supply होगी. So what is supply function? Supply function shows relationship between, or functional relationship between, quantity supply of a good and the factors which change it. When other factors other than price, they are kept constant, the supply function means a relationship between price and quantity supply of a good. Thank you very much.